guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing a recipe for cheese straws, and to get started you will need a few simple ingredients, starting with some cheddar cheese. Here I have some yellow cheddar, but you could also use the white cheddar for this recipe. I have some all-purpose flour, some salted butter, I have some mustard, grated garlic, a little pepper sauce, and red pepper flakes. Let's get started. So using my hand blender, I will go ahead and combine the cheese and the butter. You could also use a hand mixer for this step. So once the butter and the cheese are well combined, we'll go ahead and add the garlic, we'll add the pepper and the mustard. We'll mix until everything is well incorporated. Next, we'll add the flour a little at a time until it is well combined. We want it to look kind of like a dough, but a little bit softer, because remember we have to pipe it, and you want to make the piping process easy. So, don't make it too hard. So once you have everything all mixed in, this is how it should be looking. Now we'll get ready to start piping our cheese straws. I have already prepped my baking tray here, and I'll be using a piping bag and a star tip thimble. So I went ahead and changed my thimble from plastic to metal because I find that the metal one was a bit easier for me to work with. And now we will just squeeze our cheese straws onto the baking tray like so. It is so easy to do, guys. Anybody can do this. And you want to squeeze it in the length that you desire. If you want it short, you do that. If you want it long, you do that. And we will finish this up, then I'll show you guys the next step. And once you're done piping your cheese straws, we'll sit this in an oven of 350 for about 18 to 20 minutes. So after about 20 minutes, these are now done, and you want to let these cool off thoroughly before you start digging in, because when you first take them out the oven, they will feel a bit soft, but you have to let them cool off and then they'll become nice and crunchy, and that's what you want. Okay guys, so this is how I make a super crunchy and absolutely cheesy cheese straw. I do hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. I will leave all the ingredients and measurements down in my description box. And I will see you guys in my next video. Enjoy!